The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra2 is Samsung's next-generation premium, rugged smartwatch, widely leaked and expected to be officially unveiled at the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event on Wednesday, July 22, 2026. The renders confirm the fact that the watch will be powered by the Snapdragon Wear Elite chipset. Comes with 2 GB of RAM and 64 GB of built-in storage. They also reveal that the watch has an 800 mAh battery and is 12% thinner than its predecessor. A 1.5-inch Super AMOLED screen featuring an incredible peak brightness of 5,000 nits up from 3,000 nits on the original model for flawless sunlight visibility. The device will be IP69K rated for dust and water resistance, and its frame will be made of titanium. The design has remained similar to the original. Equipped with a massive 800 mAh battery, battery life is expected to push past 3 to 4 days of normal use. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.